Hello people, welcome back. So today we'll be making noodles, the most delicious Indomie you've ever tasted. I'll be using 5 packs of Indomie chicken, and I'll be using 2 of the spice. I don't use too much spice because you will see at the end when we're frying the pepper, you will see we'll have to put another spice and just to garnish it, so we don't want too much of the Indomie spice. But I used all of the pepper that comes with Indomie. If you haven't, guys, please like, subscribe and share. And I've already boiled my water, so now I pour lots of water. I don't like my Indomie to be dry, so I like to shift out the Indomie. So I went in with onion and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I cover, and I have 1 red bell pepper, and don't blend it to be smooth, just like crush. My pepper was too smooth, and that's because my blender is very sharp. So if you can make it to be a bit crush, not too smooth, and I shifter to remove the water because we are going to fry the pepper. I did not blend the onions. I did not want to, but you can blend your onion. I like to see onions inside my noodles. And we put a pan on the stove or fire, whichever one you're using, and we went in with vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. We let it hot, and we went in with sliced onion. It's been frying for 5 minutes now on a low heat. And we went in with our pepper. I had to blend another one because I want it to be rich. So in total I used 2 red bell pepper, and I have this king prawns that I bought from the shop. I'm in the UK, so I don't know if you can have this to buy in your local shop wherever you are, but I bought this in Asda, king prawns. And I went in with fish spice because I'm using king prawns, so I will use fish spice. And half a teaspoon of dried grounded pepper. I used 1 teaspoon of fish spice. Cover to let it cook on a low heat. We need the water to dry out. Keep stirring so you don't get burnt. And I whisk my egg, and I use 6 eggs. This is totally optional, and the amount of eggs I use is also optional. It's still on a low heat. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Stir it so to avoid it being burnt, and you cover on a low heat. And I left it for maybe 10 minutes, and now we go in with our Indomie. I had to change the spoon because I didn't want the Indomie to break and to mash the Indomie up, and it wasn't mixing properly. So in my opinion, using fork will be very good for Indomie, not proper cooking spoon. And turn it properly, make sure it's well mixed. It's ready. Thank you so much for watching.